Seeing kids play with educational toys not only makes them happier, but also helps them promote problem-solving skills, coordination skills, and sharpen their memory skills. It can also encourage them to learn new things differently. If you are looking for toys that would help your child in their overall development, this video is for you. Seeing babies taking their first step is one of the happiest moments that any parent can experience, and baby walkers are the best and the oldest toys in the making. Baby walkers also helps a child to transform from quadrupedal to bipedal in a safe way. Cup toys are colorful and it helps children in developing hand-eye coordination. Grabbing a big cup and then putting the little one inside the big one will help a child improve their logical reasoning. It is the type of educational toy that any child would like to play with. If your child has the inborn talent for music, then musical toys will help the little geniuses find their tone, which significantly impacts their future goal and careers. Building blocks helps the little one in developing their motor skills. It also develops a child's ability to use reasoning to construct objects that will positively influence their future. Musical Rhymes is an electronic toy with pre-recorded rhymes that helps children to learn different nursery songs. Its fun blinking light and music attracts children towards it, thus making them spend more time in learning. Einstein Box Science Experiment Kit consists of 50 experiments that every kid would like to play with. It will also help your child in learning some of the most important scientific principles. Play Poco Spelling Fun contains around 150 pieces that help kids to spell different everyday objects. While improving their spelling skills, it will also help them in enhancing their logical reasoning. For kids who want to become scientists, My Chemistry Lab will help them learn about essential chemical reactions like osmosis and evaporation. The colorful spikes of Spike the Fun Motor Hedgehog makes kids play with it. This toy helps them in promoting fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Count and Learn jar is similar to piggy banks in dropping coins in slits, but in this toy each coin is marked with a number, and playing with this can help a kid develop their basic arithmetic skills. So, here are educational toys that will make your kids more innovative and help them build a solid foundation for their future careers. If you are using any other educational toy, then do share their names in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.